In my research, we explore how computers will look in the future from the hardware perspective. We look on new computing structure, where computation is performed in the memory and also in a combination of memory and processing together by inspiration from the brain.
My area is storage systems. They're the infrastructure for storing, accessing, and processing big data. Specifically, I work on data that is deduplicated. That's a form of compression for removing redundancy. The challenge is to hide the related complexities from users and their applications.
In my lab, we're building DNA-based storage systems. It's a very simple idea. The idea is to store files, all the bits that we have, inside DNA strands. It is possible to synthesize DNA strands storing ACGT, and this corresponds to all the bits that we have in the file that we want to store. DNA synthesis and sequencing, which correspond to writing and reading data, are very, very noisy processes. And in my lab, we develop sophisticated algorithms and code that are specifically targeted to correct these dominant errors that we see in these two processes of synthesis and sequencing.
We aim to design ultra-low power computing devices that bring artificial intelligence to the edge, and by that connect numerous computing devices and connect humanity.
We optimized compression across entire clusters of servers. This reduces the cost and energy consumption of the data center. We also developed methods for indexing and searching data in its compressed form, with speedups of orders of magnitude compared to existing approaches.
The very simple application for DNA, the storage system, is to build archival storage systems. And the main advantage is the capacity. Using this high capacity, we can take a big data center in the size of a stadium and shrink it into the size of a shoebox.
In many ways, the future of my research lies in computational storage.
We invented several computer architectures where processing and data storage are combined together, and by that we get extremely energy-efficient computers.
The main advantage of the Tachyon is the students. They always say you can only be as good as your students are. Luckily, I have the best students I could ever dream to have, and these are the amazing team that I have, and it's a pleasure to work with them.